Yeah, Tony Lista, this is Joe Hughes.
Joe, nice to meet you.
It's good to meet you. Tony, Vice President General Manager at Unicell.
Yes, sir.
Sponsor of the Truck Club and a partner in progress with Ford vehicles. And we appreciate your support, and I'd love to see your product here at the show.
We appreciate you as well, Joe. Thank you.
Walk us through this. Most of my partners in crime aren't able to come or don't come for whatever reason, but they're missing a good show, and they're missing good product reviews like you've got here.
Very much so. Yeah, a lot of dealer activity, and it's to be able to share some of this some information about Unicell with the dealers that haven't been able to attend. Unicell is a one-piece fiberglass van body manufacturer. We have a lot of great industry peers out there that make a lot of great van bodies. Our van body is all one piece, which is unique.
Yeah.
It offers a lot of benefits. On the Transit here, we really took it to the next level with our aerosol product, which is our flagship. Not only is it aerodynamic, but it allows us to really follow the contours of the vehicle and offer almost a factory extension of what Ford has to offer.
Yeah.
And on the Transit, you can see that we really took that to the next level for us when this was being launched. We wanted to maintain the consistency of the body lines, integrating the molding down the side of the body that matches the body styling cues.
Yeah, I see the molding. Yeah, that really does just look like it's just came straight out of the plant.
Yeah,
that's great.
So with the one-piece body, there's a lot of benefits. No leaks.
Exactly.
Which is a
that's the first thing that mine went off on was no leaks.
A lot of people, these end users and small fleets, their vehicle is their billboard.
Right.
And when you have a really stylish vehicle like this, the ability to do the graphic wraps that they're doing nowadays, they really can advertise very well, and it creates a great image for the business.
Yeah, for sure.
And the folks that actually do the wraps really like wrapping these bodies because there's no fasteners, there's no hard seams to work around.
Right.
They're really able to contour and make it look
it looks really sharp. Good. Yeah.
And you know, we supply for the Transit, we supply for the E-Series. We have our aerosol lineup for both of those platforms.
Right.
And we have the ability to do pretty much any options on the bodies that the customers might want. We have we're a small family-owned company with a lot of tenure in the organization, and we work with our Ford dealers to help them make sure that they're qualifying their customer, asking their questions, so that when the truck does show up, that it's what the dealer expected and what the end user expected.
That's really key.
And asking the questions to make sure that we're qualifying properly.
Yeah, that's really key.
We can do side doors, lift gates, windows, ladder racks, tuck under ramps, pretty much anything that the industry can offer, and just offer a really versatile tool that, because that's what these are. They're a big tool.
You've got some of those accessories or options in this one. I saw the slider door on the other side.
Yes, sir.
Is that an option on either side?
That it is an option on either side. Yes.
Is that right?
It's in the industry, like the curb side is just kind of standard, just to keep out of the street, out of the road.
Right.
But there are certain needs for the driver's side. This Transit that we're showing actually has a factory seat delete option. We don't build a step van per se on the strip chassis or anything like that, nor do we work with the passenger door delete on the Transit. But something unique on this one was we do full height walkthroughs. We'll cut the roof of the cab out,
right.
put a stylish fiberglass lining on the inside.
Yeah, I see that.
So the passenger seat delete, it's factory. It allows the driver to get out of the seat and come into the back.
Can you come in here, Derek, and just zoom in? You walk through a full size door into the cab, so the driver's not trying to crunch down and not bump his head, etc. That is really great.
It's well integrated. And as I was talking about some of the properties of the one-piece body, these drivers are in these trucks a lot, and what the body does offer is one of the quietest bodies on the road, just because there's not there's not a lot of fastening going on as far as
Right.
extra pieces that can wear over time.
Right.
So long term, it does offer the one of the quieter rides out
Right.
there. Yes, this does have a sliding pocket door with 2 inset steps for great egress ingress. Easy operation, but great heavy duty cycles because we
Right.
know that these things are getting they're not being opened gently. They're getting out of the seat. They're trying to make their delivery
Yeah.
and get on to the
Yeah.
next. This one we're showing our parcel flip-up shelving package. This has narrow barn doors on the back. It's really, we can purpose-built these trucks to fit what the customers are looking
Right,
for.
right. And I see this one has the wheel well exposed, but you can do the higher with the flat floor.
Correct. Yeah. So in a parcel delivery type application or some application where there's a lot of in and out of the truck, you're trying to reduce fatigue.
Right.
So yes, the wheel boxes are going to lower the floor a bit, which is very helpful. We obviously do offer flat floor, and that also gives you some other benefits. You can put a slide out ramp underneath the back of the truck,
Right.
so that you can get stuff on wheel dollies up, or if you're just walking things in and out. So that's doable.
Right.
Different flooring options, different interior linings. Really, the sky's the limit per se.
Yeah.
So
I love the design. I love. I was looking at the shelving and how it'll fold to where it's really not obtrusive to the inside. If you need as much expanse as possible.
Absolutely.
It's very well thought out.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And we try to have information readily available for the dealers. Our website is not password protected or anything, and if somebody needs to check our pool, we've been a Ford pool for over 35 years.
Oh, wow.
Been building these bodies for 40 years, so someone might say, I've seen that, or I haven't seen it, and how long has it been out? How
Right.
durable is it?
Right.
And
You got
40
a long,
years kind of
long
proves
history.
that, yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, we appreciate the opportunity.
That's great.
To,
Well, yeah, and you've. This is exciting as we roll in transit, as the Econoline kind of seems to be fading, and transit's more and more adaptive, thanks to good bodybuilders like yourself.
It's definitely they're doing really well with this product. For sure.
This is super.
For sure.
So we're taking another close looks here at what? Oh, at the line. Yeah, the line. Sure, that's great. That's excellent. All right, Tony.
Joe,
well,
thank
thanks
you
so
very
much.
much.
Yeah,
Really
appreciate
appreciate it.
meeting you and know more about your business.
Thank you.
Thank
Enjoy the
you.
rest of the show.
Will do. Thanks.